So you want a tiny trailer, but you don't want to crawl over your partner at 2 a.m. Or maybe you're traveling solo and you want to stretch out like a starfish. Or maybe, like us, you just want options. Well, meet the Casita Liberty Deluxe. This little fiberglass egg might just be the most flexible trailer around 3,700 pounds gross vehicle weight rating. I'm Kristen, a previous Scamp and Casita owner. Here's what makes the Liberty Deluxe different. The flexible sleeping setup. At first, you've got an east-west double bed. Want more room? Pop in the extra cushions and boom, you've got a king-size bed. And if you're small, then turn the dinette into twin beds, or as I like to call it, Doug's snore buffer. Some owners have even made modifications to make the twin beds larger. At that point, I'd get an Independence, but that's just me. As you step inside the Casita, you'll find a well-apportioned kitchen with plenty of storage, a vent fan, a 3-burner stove, and a cutlery drawer. You'll love this modern kitchen faucet and large stainless steel sink. I think the removable drain pan is a cool new feature. And of course, the beautiful wooden cover. Also fairly new for Casita is the 12-volt battery monitor. You can order your Casita with a 4.3 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator or the standard 3.3 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. As an option, you can order your Casita with a mattress. Another option is the 24-inch smart TV with inverter. As I mentioned before, Casita uses all its nooks and crannies for storage space. This Casita features the pull-down shades, but aluminum mini blinds are standard. You can order your Casita with the optional 300 amp hour lithium iron battery. I've had people worry about fires, but this is not the lithium battery that normally causes fires. A microwave is also optional. Otherwise, this is a large storage cabinet. When we had our Casita, we used it as storage. Microwaves use a lot of power, so you either need a large lithium battery and solar, or hookups to use it. For such a small trailer, Casita Deluxe has a large storage closet. I didn't find the space very useful as is. Katie's closets make a shelving system that's more space efficient. Or you can build your own like we did. This is what makes the trailer deluxe, the wet bath. If you get the standard Casita, you'll get bunk beds instead of a bath and closet. This is a 2024. In 2025, you'll get the updated storage cabinet that doesn't leak. I do love the stainless steel faucet and fixtures. Little cubbies for storage. It's got a tiny window and a vent fan. The black water capacity is 15 gallons, which is pretty good for a small trailer. Let's go outside. This is one of the 2 very small outside storage areas. It's home to the freshwater tank, which you can order in 16 or 23 gallons. A 32-gallon gray water tank is standard on the Deluxe. Aluminum alloy wheels are an upgrade, as is the high lift axle, which I recommend if you're traveling off the beaten path. It's got a nice step that retracts under the trailer, a fully functional screen door, and these louvered window shades. Keyless entry is a great option. You don't have to worry about losing your keys. So that's the Liberty Deluxe.